Stop scrolling through 500 rejections. I'll show you the three-step system that got me hired with zero experience. You've sent out 47 applications. You've refreshed your inbox 200 times today. And the only thing hiring you right now is stress. Full-time, no benefits, no pay. If you're trying to break into remote work with little to no experience, and it feels like you're screaming into a void, I need you to stop everything you're doing. Because you're not losing because you're unqualified. You're losing because you don't have a system. Today I'm giving you a three-step system to build a legitimate work-from-home career from scratch. No fluff, no just believe in yourself nonsense. Let's get into it. Step 1. Stop applying to jobs, start applying to problems. Here's where most beginners go wrong. They scroll job boards, see 3 to 5 years experience required, and either apply anyway hoping nobody notices, or they don't apply and spiral into existential dread. Both are bad strategies. Instead, flip the mindset. Companies don't hire resumes, they hire solutions. Your job isn't to prove you've done the work before. Your job is to prove you understand their problem and can fix it. Pick one niche: virtual assistants, social media management, data entry, customer support. 1, not 5, 1. Then go find businesses that are clearly struggling in that area. A restaurant with no Instagram presence, a local therapist with a messy website, a small e-commerce brand with zero email follow-up. These people need help. They just don't know you exist yet. That's step 1. Narrow your focus like a laser, not a flashlight. Step 2. Build proof in 72 hours, even if you have zero experience. You don't need a portfolio. You need evidence. There's a difference. Pick that one business struggling in your chosen skill. Do a free mini audit. Show them exactly what's wrong and give them 2 or 3 quick fixes, for free. No strings attached. This does 3 things. It proves you know what you're talking about. It builds immediate trust. And it gives you something to screenshot and show the next client. You can literally create your first case study from work you did for free over a weekend. That's your portfolio now. Congratulations. You're no longer inexperienced. You're a person who takes initiative. Do this 2 or 3 times, and suddenly you have a track record. And a track record beats a degree in almost every freelance and remote job conversation. Step 3. Use the warm pitch formula to land clients consistently. Cold applications are basically shouting in a hurricane. The warm pitch is how you actually get heard. Here's the formula. Find someone in your niche on LinkedIn or Instagram. Engage genuinely with their content for 3 to 5 days. Real comments, not great post. Then send a short, specific DM or email. Reference something real about their business. Offer one specific observation. Ask one low-commitment question. That's it. No pitch deck. No 5-paragraph cover letter. One observation, one question. This works because it's human. People do business with people they feel see them. And right now, most job seekers are invisible because they're broadcasting, not connecting. Now here's the honest part of this story nobody tells you. When you're building something new, the mental load is real. The anxiety of waiting, the self-doubt between steps, it's physically exhausting. And I mean that literally. Stress tanks your focus, your sleep, and your ability to think clearly when you need it most. Something that genuinely helped me during my own job search grind was a high-quality magnesium glycinate supplement. I'll link the one I use in the description. It supports sleep quality and helps calm the nervous system without making you foggy. Think of it as unfiring the panic button in your brain so you can actually execute the steps above. It's not magic, it's biology. And your job search deserves a brain that isn't running on cortisol and desperation. So, here's your action plan. Pick your niche today. Do one free audit this week. Send 5 warm pitches before Sunday. The system works, but only if you do. Let's go. This material is for educational and strategic purposes only. It does not constitute financial or medical advice. Consult qualified professionals before altering your structural routines or financial planning.